reliable program that gives you all the information you need to know about the power sector, professionals in the industry, electrical products, government agencies, the stakeholders, and many more.
On to the marks. Again, we are set. And it's time to burst into speed on your program. That program, that ever electrifying program, the Power Connect Show. It's here once again. It's another Wednesday evening. And you know that when the hour comes like this every Wednesday, what do you expect? You expect to plug into the power world, into the electricity world, the best of it, via the platform of your program, the Power Connect Show. Of course, I be Nigerian now. I know, say, the excitement of last Saturday still day in the hair. The excitement brought to the whole nation by those courageous daughters of Nigeria. You know, easy to be champions for 10 times. No, it's not easy now. Person goes, but that one don't stay now. Now stay news. Waiting be stay news. Now time where man wake up. Now whole morning start to. Well, but because this is not the first program we are doing after that very, very historic win by the Falcons of Nigeria. And so let me use this opportunity to say congratulations to the whole nation. And we want to say more of that, more wins for the whole country. I just digressed. The business at hand is the Power Connect Show. And you know that whenever we are set like this, what do? We just go right on to the business at hand. And that business at hand is to start with the news and tidbits for the day. And the one where I get it, people say, go don't hear them. But for the sake of emphasis, maybe make it not be say, me no hear them. Make I talk and make you hear again. So that you won't be asking people waiting they happen. Now the thing where they happen, now we won't tell you. EKEDC announces intermittent outage. You don't hear? Well, if you never hear, just listen. And if you don't hear, say, you feel hear again, tell people we never hear. And the news where they my front says a co-electricity distribution company has announced intermittent outage across its network from Monday 28th July to Thursday 21st August 2025. A public notice by the company said the intermittent planned outage is due to maintenance work being carried out by the company's partner, Transmission Company of Nigeria, on the transmission line between Omotosho Generating Station in Ondo State and Ikeja West Transmission Station at Ayobo, Lagos State. EKEDC added that the work by TCN was to ensure better service delivery. EKEDC then pleaded for customers' understanding, cooperation and support, while the power rationing that will result from the maintenance work by TCN lasts. The company also assured customers of equitable distribution of power while the maintenance work lasts. So, now be that too. They say not be this one. Power go they come they go, but not be say now from EKEDC. You know say this thing now everybody getting work where they do. Then they call them people with sabi grammar. Then they call them value chain. So the transmission side, then they do one work, and as they do them now, it go affect the distribution companies, which EKEDC is one of them. So then say, I beg, make una show understanding, make una show support, make una know say not be say they won't do them deliberately. When they happen, I beg make you understand. Anyway, now the program don't start with that. You don't the plane of the program don't dey tarmac, you don't dey taxi, you don't take off self. We go come back just after this time out.
Dear Ogbonge Eco Disco customer, abeg make you go our website www.ekedp.com/sts and enter your current meter number to check whether your meter qualify to upgrade to the STS2 version. If your meter qualify, we go holla you back. But if you not qualify, you fit apply for new meter and the EKEDC go return the meter money to you over time. If you experience any wahala, abeg make you contact our customer experience team through the email or phone wey we provide. This na public service announcement from EKEDC.
Our esteemed customers, we implore you to avoid tampering with electrical installations around you. Tampering can lead to damage of your appliances and our equipment, electrical fires, electric shock, electrocution, and even death. Please do not engage unlicensed electricians and technicians. If you see an unauthorized or unidentifiable personnel around our equipment, please report to us via our customer service lines on 0708 067 1170 or 0700 123 5666. Or visit our nearest office. We value the safety of lives and properties. This is a public service announcement from Eco Electricity Distribution Company.
Oh, now welcome back to the program. Now, Power Connect show happening on Niger FM 102.7, and of course, the program is under the sponsorship of your darling power utility service provider, Eco Electricity Distribution Company. And the voice where you hear, you know the voice now. Now that of Ademola Ben Cranston Adegoke, ABC Adegoke for short. Well, we are right in the program, and the program today, we're not going to hear what you never hear before. Before me, they think say, me know before, I know say, different kind right today. People they when they say them be human rights activists, what then they do? Then they fight for the right of everybody. Say everybody get right. Some people they say their own not to say them be animal rights activists. Say animal self get right now. Say you know fit and especially for Obodo Oyinbo, maybe you know they happen here. So you go see some people then go say you know fit handle your dog anyhow. You know fit handle your pet anyhow. Because them be animal rights activists. But waiting, some people no can know be say, not be only human beings or animals they get right to. Other things they way they get right. Other things they way they get right to. Now the right of those others, one of those other things we go talk about. Even environmental activists then go say, even water gets right. And then we say, so now everything we get right. If you don't know, now you don't know. Today, we will be talking about the right of way for electricity equipment. So a person go say, so electricity equipment, then get right. Yes, then get right. If you don't know, now you don't know. Electricity equipment get right. And we will be talking about electrical safety and the right of way for electricity equipment today. Because it is a very, very important thing to know what is the right of way for electricity equipment. And the thing we can't there be say, as we talk of that right of way for electricity equipment, not be saying that the electricity equipment we won't protect. Now, even human lives and property. And so, today, I have someone in the studio. This man na engineer, but na engineer we get vibes. Anytime we dey studio, they bring vibes. You know the way in they engage, they talk. Even me we dey studio in the they ginger me, they torture me the way in they do am. I have in the studio with me this evening the HOD, Earth Safety and Environment Operations. Now engineer Patrick Abuda. Engineer, you don't come here before. I know say you and this program. Now, like ugu vegetable, where every woman know for kitchen. Abi?
Say be.
So, I beg, greet our people for house now.
I salute everyone. I don't come again. Wait till you sabi. Wait till you know am. This right of way matter where big us come. Now I want to talk about today for Niger FM 102.7.
Okay, thank you. You don't talk. I don't talk and say. Your matter na like when you send Amebo message, and you can't tell Amebo say, "I beg deliver the message well." Where are you waiting? You don't tell himself. You go deliver pass him. They know they tell Amebo say, "I beg deliver that message well." I trust you. So we have you have had him, engineer Patrick Abuda, and he's here to take us through this issue of right of way for electricity equipment. So, engineer, make we start now. Wetin be this right of way sef? Say so electricity equipment then get right.
I agree to you again, my oga. Right of way matter na wetin we go read talk for our customers. Those where they drive more than 5-way park, because message where you no get, you no know. Information where you no get, you no know am. Right of way where would they talk? Me say an approved safe distance or corridor.
You can say that again. Safe distance.
Or corridor around electricity infrastructures. That safe distance where we must give to our facilities, customer having houses, planting trees, trading near power lines. We must make sure that we keep that right of way, that corridor, to avoid unwanted accident. Now what the right of way mean be that margin between the people and the electrical infrastructure that a customer must keep to be safe. Wow.
So the safe distance that someone must keep,
Yes.
between himself or his facility or his house or his business center or worship center or anywhere,
correct. Yes.
And electricity facility.
Yes.
Now we dey call right of way.
Yes.
Okay, this right of way, why dey important? Person go ask, wetin na so e dey important? Why is it important
Right
to
of way.
observe right of way?
It's very, very important, because if you maintain right of way, you are restraining yourself from unnecessary accident, either electrocution or fire. E go even give the company easy access when they wan do main ten ance or they have emergency repair. Even the power supply, it will give it stability so that the customer will have stable power supply. Then again, it's a regulatory requirement that right of way we must maintain it. These are the 4 key areas that right of way is very important. In the area of public safety, easy access, and stability of power supply.
Okay, wait, you dey talk about easy access. So this one, this one don't happen before. Say maybe fire dey happen for somewhere now. Fire dey happen for somewhere, but because people don go build house where fire vehicle when dem suppose pass reach the place, dem no go fit reach.
Yes.
It dey happen like that for EKDC to say they wan clear fort, but where dem suppose go clear the fort, people don block am.
Yes.
It dey happen like that.
It dey happen like that. It dey happen.
So,
it dey happen.
So
people
because
go build houses where people don get want to do main ten ance. The work go come dey hard for our people to have access to the area they want to work. But when you keep that corridor for us to do main ten ance, emergency repair, it go dey very easy for us.
So now you be say, apart from safety, even for constant power supply,
Yes.
so that for easy fault clearing,
Yes.
it is better to observe that right of way. Now the thing we dey talk be that, abi?
Yes.
Okay. Now say when we dey talk about this right of way, you go get standard now, you go get measurement. Person go say, so the question now be say, how close should I be to power facility, or how far should I be from power facilities? Make we talk about that one.
According to regulations, like Nigeria Electricity Installation and Standards, 2004 regulations, collaborating with NEC guidelines, that 11 kV and 33 kVA, a customer must maintain 15 meters, 5 meters setback, then 5 meters to the other side on the mid conductor, a total of 11 meters.
Because this one you no go rush am o, because and people wey dey house, if I be you, I go take I go take pen and paper to dey write this thing down because this na correct information. And not for me, sef, maybe we go if still ask that kind question, sef, because it's not about when you don build your house. This na information wey you suppose know even when you wan buy land. I lie?
No be lie. Na for the planning stage.
Okay, so abeg explain now, you know, well to people. Yes. Say what is the measurement, make them know.
Customer, as na dey listen to us now, this right of way e get standard. For level at 33 is 11 meter standard, 5.5 to the road and 5.5 to your structures. Then for 33 the same 11 meters, 5.5 to the road and 5.5 to the customer facility, either building or shop. Then for the one of 132, which is the transmission line, a customer must maintain a minimum of 30 meters, 15 to the road and 15 to the facility. While that of 330, which is the high tension for TCN, a customer must maintain a distance of 15 meters, 25 to the road and 25 to the facility of the customers. These are the standards by regulators that a customer must work with from the planning stage. Even when you are buying land, comot that meter for your land to the road for the utility, so that you no go say the one plot wey you buy e don short. That one e no go work. Make sure you put that allowance in your plot where you are doing your planning stage, so that accident will not happen.
So the thing wey you dey talk now be say, as I no go wait until I don complete my house before I dey talk about right of way. Now be say I wan go buy land, I suppose know whether power facility dey there. I know say there are other facilities like pipelines and all of that. They also have their own right of way, but my electricity we dey talk now. So I suppose know, I suppose get the information for my head, say the pole wey dey here, this land, you know, say land people wey dey sell land, they no dey tell people this one. So if I wan buy land, wetin I go, how I go know?
Any area where you wan buy land, if light never reach am and na road, you must know that one day electricity you go need that for your house, water you go need that for your house, telecommunication you go need that for your house. All those one you go put that into consideration. But if the power installation don already dey there before, you go ask. If na overhead, you go see am. If na underground, you no go see am. You go ask question. You can even go to the nearest NEPA office to ask, is there any existing underground cable for this area before you start any plan in your plot. But if it's overhead, you must make sure you work with the standard before you can start any project.
You got one question wey me go ask. Now I know say people wey dey ask too, then go wan ask. You know, you be engineer. If you see 11 kV in line, you know, you go know. You get you see 33 kV line, you go know. You see 132, you go know. You see 330, you go know. A person wey no be engineer, wey no get any electricity experience, I go know say this one na 11 kV, na this kind measurement I suppose observe. That one na 33, na this kind measure, I go know.
You know, for EKDC, we dey with our customer on 11 kV and 33 kV.
But then, how me go know say na only na okay.
The 11 kV where you go see, na the one where they carry one disc around the conductor, close to the cross arm.
This technical something.
Then the one where carry 3, he deal with that of 33 kV.
Okay.
But basically, any 33 or 11, you must maintain the same distance.
You called something cross arm now. You know, cross arm na that wooden, you know, where the bar, where you know, where they connect the faces together. Because make we explain these things, make people know. You know, say if you say cross arm now, person wey no get electricity experience, how you go know? So when you see that wooden bar where they dey on top of pole, where they connect, you know, the
like cross,
like cross.
Now we dey talk so.
When you see one disc Abi?
To the end of the cable.
To the
level
kV. You see 3.
No, say na 33 kV.
Na 33 kV.
Yes.
Make we talk am that way. Okay. We dey talk of safety. This safety, say we don't talk of with the other time we talked about access to even clear fault. Now, when we talk of safety, what are the hazard? What kind of hazards are people that do not observe right of way? What kind of hazards or dangers? What kind of dangers are they open to?
The hazard plenty. As the hazard dey, na so the risk dey. The hazard be say the pole e fit fall, the cable e fit snap, because cable at its aging, if your house dey near am, one day e go age. E fit cut where e go cause electrical shock, which is a major risk. Then cable fit dey spark. If your house dey near am, e fit result to another accident. E fit also cause fire. And if pole collapse by mistakenly, e can also cause another accident. E can lead to electrical shock, e can lead to electrical burns, e can even lead to burns.
Or death.
Or death. That is electrocution is death. Electrocution is also means death. Then it can lead to injury. It can lead to disability. A lot of things are associated with.
So all those houses where pole dey fall, pole go fall. Say maybe storm day, windstorm day, rain dey fall. When windstorm day, pole can't fall. You can't fall upon house or shop. Now be say they no observe right of way.
Yes, now become.
Because if to say they observe the right of way,
if they give clearance, that pole go fall on the normal ground.
Normal
It no go cause any accident.
This matter.
Now look at choke customer now the cause of those things. Make the light, make I use that finish. Things go dey spoil.
Okay. With this matter, I know say as e dey sweet person, na like make we just continue dey talk dey go. But the people wey dey house, they go wan contribute now. So make we allow our people to say one or two things about this matter of right of way. The program again is the Power Connect Show, happening on Naija FM 102.7 and under the sponsorship of Eco Electricity Distribution Company. So it's time to bring in our listeners, and the number to call into is 081 00 130349. I call the number again, 081 00130349. So you can make your contributions to this conversation about right of way. How is it happening at your own end? Or maybe you just want to know one or two things about right. Are you about to buy a property? Are you about to, or even maybe get a piece of land to build your house? How does this issue of right of way affect you? So you can call into the number that has just been called out. Well, so let's continue with our discussion before we start having calls. From experience, what are the common examples of violations of right of way that usually happen? The examples of violation of right of way, how they happen? Make we talk am, make people hear.
Example of right of way many well. People where they build shops, they build houses. You trade other substation transformers. All these are right of way. Planting trees, near power line, the other right of way. Students, public working on that power line is still other right of way. Right of way, it covers so many things. Number one, building structure under it, dry clothes in a transformer that is first, trading other power line at marketplaces. Then you see schools having their roof other power lines. You see children play other power lines. Then you see shops, shoot out shops, other power lines. All these are category of right of ways where we dey experience for our network. I want people to avoid right of way encroachment. It can cause accidents because when you build other power line or you trade other power line, by the time any incident come from that equipment, it will always give injury or fatality to that person. We want the public to know that building other power line, having shop other power line, planting trees other power line, and trading near our infrastructures. All these are categories of right of way which the customer should stop. Okay. Community should support us to drive this because we cannot do it alone.
Okay. So as you talk now be say me they think say na only house person fit build or shop or maybe be business center or any place where people
even mechanic workshop sef.
But you know but the one wey come surprise me now na the one wey you talk about farming. Now be say planting trees under or close to power line
right of way.
Na violation of right of way.
You see car dealers too selling cars under power line.
Under power line.
Right of way.
This you know there is something wey dem dey call na you engineers dey call that thing. They call am electromagnetic induction. Say line wey dey on top house. It dey act like magnet.
Yes.
Say,
Induction.
Abeg wetin e be?
That kind of thing, the closeness of a power line to any conducting material, there are electromagnetic induction.
Like a roofing sheet.
Roofing sheet where the conduct. By the time that induction reach that conducting material and you have a contact with it, you don't buy with that. You feel fall, you get burns, you feel buy, you feel die. That induction, electromagnetic induction from that power line, it is very dangerous. Even for the high tension where you have coronal discharge, where they may all those things, we need to give space to avoid this discharge or induction from power line. It is very, very important.
Time they go. But me get this question. It be like say our people they no one call today, so they could maybe the discussion they switch them. They no one then they enjoy them. But you know say na the elders so not be me talking. Then say if your neighbor they hit bad insect, you can't say waiting concern me. You no tell am. The time where the wahala go start for middle of the night. Now then fit come wake you up say abeg make you go help us carry this one go hospital now. So that is the reason why it is necessary that when people are doing this type of thing around us, we need to tell them. We need to even inform appropriate authority. But the question come be say, me don't see person where they violate right of way, and I won't report. I don't tell am he no listen. Me wan come report to appropriate authority say this man he wan cause wahala for the community he dey go violate right of way. I go do that kind of report.
If you see any customer violating right of way, we have customer care numbers. You can visit our nearest zonal office. That's why we have our zonal office everywhere. That you can easily reach out to us that there are violators. Then after we get that report, EKDC will now send their people to go and do inspection. Then after the inspection, they discover that it is truly right of way. Then the EKDC will take action to make sure that that customer is served a warning notice educating that customer the danger of having that right of way near his place. Then if action is not taken, the EKDC will go further to report that customer to regulatory authority or government agency to take necessary action. Then if while we are still talking to the customer is not cooperating with the standard, EKDC can take a further step to disconnect that customer, depending on where that right of way is corrected.
Okay, so the thing be say, if you see people where they violate right of way, where they go build, where they go farm, where they go do, where they go build workshop, they work under power line. No talk say e no concern you. Find way to report to the nearest EKDC office. Time not be our friend for this program. Time don't go. It dey sweet me, but we just have to bring the program to a close. I want to say a very big thank you to Engineer Patrick Abuda for the insight that you have brought into the conversation today. I want to believe we have not been able to exhaust all the issues that we need to exhaust under this issue of right of way for electricity facilities. But I believe that when next we call on you, you will answer us as usual. So once again, thank you. Well, that has been our program for today. Next week is another day, and I remain your sincere Ademola Ben Anthony Adegoke. See you next week.